Hey guys, I'm 0 for 1. Yes, I'm taking on Elite 4 again. Sorry, I don't have like enough film to like do the whole thing. I only have enough to do probably. Depends how long it goes. I'm gonna show you my haul of Pokemon. On March 3rd, 2010, Torterra, level 76. Starter level 48. Riolu, 48. Luxray, 43. Weasel, 46. Glaceon, level 44. And that was all. So yeah, I'm going to take on the Elite 4 next. Hello, welcome to Pokemon League. I'm Aaron. I'm Elite 4. Yes. I'll just skip most of it, that's all. See you guys later. See you at Sentinel. 98. First to 100.